There's a tree that can feed you, hydrate you, shelter you, heal you, and even help you survive. A tree so useful that ancient people believed it was a gift from the heavens. In India, it earned a sacred name, Kalpavriksha, the tree that gives everything. And that tree is the coconut tree. Most trees fear the coast. Salt destroys them. Strong winds break them. Cyclones uproot them. But the coconut tree, it thrives where others fail. Its roots spread wide like a living net, holding on to loose sand with incredible strength. Its trunk bends with storms instead of resisting them, and its leaves are designed to let powerful winds pass through. Nature didn't just make this beautiful tree, it engineered it for survival. Now, here's something incredible. A coconut can travel across entire oceans without dying. The thick, fibrous husk acts like a life jacket. The hard shell protects the seed inside, and the coconut water keeps it alive during the journey. Some coconuts drift for months until they finally wash ashore on a distant island and grow into a new tree. The coconut tree conquered tropical coastlines without humans even planting it. The ocean itself carried its children. But what truly made people call it Kalpavruksha is that almost every part of this tree is useful. But what truly made people call it Kalpavruksha is that almost every part of this tree is useful. The fruit gives food, the water hydrates, the white flesh becomes milk, oil, sweets, flour, and medicine. The husk becomes rope, mats, brushes, mattresses, and even eco friendly products. The shell becomes bowls, charcoal, fuel, and handicrafts. The leaves become roofs, baskets, fans, and decorations. The trunk becomes timber for homes and boats. Even the flower sap can be turned into sugar or traditional drinks. Imagine discovering a single tree that helps build your house, cook your food, make your tools, and support your survival. To ancient communities, this wasn't just a plant, it was a complete ecosystem. And then there's the coconut water, clear, sweet, sterile. Inside the sealed shell, the water stays naturally protected from contamination. During World War II, in emergencies, doctors reportedly even used coconut water for temporary intravenous hydration when medical saline wasn't available. That's how pure it was considered. And long before science explained electrolytes, people in tropical regions already knew a coconut could save you from dehydration, especially under the brutal tropical sun. But the coconut tree became more than useful, it became sacred. In many Indian traditions, coconut represents purity, life, and selflessness. Think about it. The tree spends its entire life giving without asking for anything back. That's why coconuts are offered in temples, broken during ceremonies, and used to begin important journeys because the coconut symbolizes something powerful, a life that becomes valuable by being useful to others. Today, the world is rediscovering what ancient cultures already knew. As plastic pollution rises, people are turning back to natural fibers. As processed foods dominate diets, people are returning to coconut based nutrition. As sustainability becomes urgent, the coconut tree stands quietly, still providing almost everything. And perhaps that's the most fascinating part. Thousands of years passed, civilizations changed, technology evolved, but the coconut tree never stopped being useful. Some trees give shade, some give fruit, but very few trees give an entire way of life. That's why people called it Kalpavriksha, the tree that gives everything. And maybe the greatest miracle of the coconut tree is not what it takes from the earth, but how much it gives back. Nature wastes nothing.